Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade on Quotex platform and we are going to use strategy based on technical analysis. Guys, today I plan to start to trade with $35 on my deposit, and my plan, my trading goal for today is to increase this amount up to $5,000 or $6,000 on my balance. Guys, I really advise you to watch this video till the end, because only at the end of the video you will see how much money I was able to earn. And also guys, we will try to find today good situations on the market and to make profit from them. Also guys, perhaps you will like such strategy, and perhaps you will see for yourself some tips and tricks you can use on your own trading. That's why I really advise you to subscribe to this channel, to put a big thumbs up to this video. It's going to be very useful for you. And guys, turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Also guys, for new traders, I have trading signals. These are my trading signals and they are totally for free. If you want to get them, super easy, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the important and essential links will be down below, so don't forget to check the inbox. Guys, I can't wait to start, so let's find the first entry point. So as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and there is also support level at the bottom. Here I will open a deal down, as I think that the price will touch this level in the near future. Also, as you can see, the main price highs are getting lower, and at the same time we have a certain compression of this level. And as you can see earlier, the price has already touched it quite clearly. Therefore, I think that it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move down and will touch the marked level. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, great, as you can see the price continued to move down, and thus here I get a steady profit. Also guys, as you can see, in this case 1 minute was just perfect for us, and so let's continue guys and find another situation on the market. As you can see, further after the decrease in the level, the price made an upward impulse and at the moment continues to show growth. In such situation, I will open a deal for 2 minutes up, because I think that the price will continue to move up. Also, as you can see, the price is moving quite impulsively, mainly with green candles, and at the same time we still have enough space to reach the maximum point on the chart. That is, all this makes it clear to us that the price has a fairly good potential for growth. Also, I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up. Also guys, just now, as you can see, the price is already going much higher than our entry point, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, it's great. As you can see, the price is showing a good growth, and so here we got a steady profit. Also, as you can see, 2 minutes in this case was just enough for us, so I'm moving towards my goal. And so guys, let's see another situation on the market. So as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend, but at the moment it is making pullbacks downwards. In such cases, just opening a deal for 2 minutes up, because I think that in the near future the price will resume moving along the trend. Also, the main price lows on the chart are getting higher, and there is still space until the last price maximum. Also, as you can see guys, there is a certain attenuation on the chart at the moment. That is, all this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential for growth. Also, in this case, I took time of 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible correction or the rollback of the price down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and it showed a good growth. Also guys, we got the profit here, and as you can see, we have chosen the right time for this transaction guys, so let's continue. So as you can see, the price made a pullback downwards, and at the same time, new green candles are forming on the chart. Here I propose to reopen the deal for 2 minutes to go up, as the main price lows on the chart became higher, and also after the pullback down we see that the price went up by impulse. And now we also see that the price has already made a reversal and continued to move up the uptrend. That is, all this makes it clear to us that the price has the potential to grow, guys. And also in this case, I took 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account the possible correction or rollback of the price down. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, great. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and so here we got a steady profit. Also, 2 minutes in this case was just perfect, and we have almost $400 on my deposit. Our initial deposit has already increased more than 10 times, and I think it's a great result. So, guys, let's continue. So as you can see below, we have a good uptrend here. At the same time, at the moment, we see that the price is in correction, that is, there is a pullback down. At the same time, the price clearly has a support level here from which the price had previously rebounded upwards. We are also seeing some kind of attenuation now, therefore I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes up here, because I think that the price will move up. Also, as you can see earlier, several impulsive red candles were formed on the chart, but at the same time the candles have become much shorter now. That is, as you can see, the price has stopped its decline. All this makes it clear to us that the price has potential for growth, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up on the upward trend. Also, in this case, we take time of 2 minutes with the margin, take into account the price may show some kind of decrease, and then it will continue to move up. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, that's great. As you can see, the price continued to move up, the uptrend, and I got steady profit here. Also, 2 minutes in this case was just perfect for us. Let's continue and look for some other situations on the market. So as you can see, we have a low support here, and at the same time the price had previously rebounded from this level. And now the price is rolling back down. Here I will open a deal for 2 minutes up. I think that the price will continue to go up. At the same time, as you can see earlier, the price moved quite impulsively and mainly with green candles. And now it is also managing to stay above the support level. That is, this is how we understand that the price has a good potential for growth. And I think that in the near future, it is more likely that the price will continue to move up to the emerging uptrend. Also, here we took time of 2 minutes with the margin, and so, guys, let's wait for the result. That's great, guys. As you can see, the price is making an upward momentum, thus our deal closed above the entry point, and here we got profit. At the same time, I have the first $1,000 on my deposit. We are confidently approaching our trading goal. And so, guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. So as you can see, we have a level of support here, and as you can see, the price has made a good bounce up from this level, and at the moment it continues to move up. In such case, I will open a deal for 2 minutes up, because there's still enough space left on the chart to reach the maximum point. At the same time, as you can see earlier, the price moved quite impulsively, mainly with green candles, and also the new price minimum turned out to be higher than the previous one. The price made a reversal and continued to move up. In other words, this suggests that the price has a good potential for growth, so it is more likely that we will see a price increase in the near future. Also, in this case, I took 2 minutes with the margin, take into account the possible correction or, guys, rollback of the price down. And so let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, excellent. As you can see, it was quite dangerous moment. The price made a strong pullback downwards, but then there was a reversal near our entry point and the price showed the growth again. That's how we made the profit here, and also 2 minutes was ideally enough for us in this case. So let's continue and see another situation on the market, guys. So as you can see further, the price has come to a certain sideways movement, and at the same time the price bounced up from the support level. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes up because I think that the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. Also, as you can see, the main price lows on the chart are getting higher, and near the support level for the second time we see a reaction and the price made an upward impulse. That is, it makes us understand that the price is a good potential for growth. Perhaps in the near future we'll see an increase in prices. Also in this case I took 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account that the price may hit this level and only then it will continue its growth. And as you can see, we are already seeing such a decrease, guys. Let's wait for the end of our deal. As you can see, the price has pulled back down and then we had an upward momentum. But then, against the background of the news, the price showed a strong decline. Thus, our position was knocked out here, and guys, I got a loss. But as you can see, there are always also such situation might happen. It is not always possible to find ideal entry point. That's totally fine. We will try to cover this loss and we'll increase our deposit. So guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. As you can see, we have a support level at the bottom. The price is bouncing up from this level, and here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute up. Because as you can see, after the pullback down, the price went up with an impulse, and at the same time, as you can see, we have formed a rather impulsive upward movement here, and now the price is already moving much higher than the previous price maximum. That is, it tells us that the price is a good potential for growth. I think that in the near future we will see an upward price momentum. With such an increase in price, we'll try to make money. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price shows a slight increase, and thus our deal closed with a profit. At the same time, we almost completely managed to cover the previous loss from our deal. I suggest we continue, guys, and find the situation. So as you can see, the price continued to move up, and at the moment we are seeing a price correction. In such case, we will open a deal for 2 minutes up, as I think that the price will continue to grow. Also, as you can see here, I managed to move from a lower point on the chart due to the price rolling back down, and at the same time there is enough space left until the last price maximum. And also, as you can see, a green impulsive candle appears on our chart and the price goes away above our entry point. And let's just watch our chart and see what happens in the near future. Well, great, guys. As you can see, after a strong upward momentum in the price, there was a certain corrective movement, and the price showed a slight decrease. At the same time, our deal here closed in profit, and we already have almost $4,000 on deposit. And as you can see, we still have quite a bit left before our trading goal, and I think that a couple of deals will be quite enough. And so let's continue, guys. So as you can see below, the price continued to move down, and here is just opening a deal for a minute to go down, because I think that the price will continue to move down. As you can see, we still have enough space left before the support level, and also as you can see, after a strong upward movement, the price cannot continue its growth yet. Therefore, I think that in the near future we will see a decrease in price, and only then growth may resume. Therefore, we'll try to make money on this decrease, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, as you can see, we didn't have enough here for our deal to close with the profit. Thus, this transaction turned out to be unprofitable again. But guys, it's okay. Such situation happens, and as you can see, mostly we have successful deals, and also we have enough money to cover this loss. So guys, we still go towards our goal, and let's find another situation on the market and try our luck and one more time. So as you can see, the price is approaching the support level, and here we see a certain attenuation. At the same time, green candles began to form on the chart. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal for a minute up, since I think that the price will continue to move up. Also, as you can see, the price has already been held to this level several times, and I have seen quite strong price bounce up. We also see now that there is a reaction here, and the price doesn't try to break through this level. That is, all this tells us that the price has a good potential for growth, so it is more likely that in the near future the price will resume its movement along the main uptrend. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Perfect! The price made a small upward impulse, and thus we made a profit here, guys. As you can see, I again managed to almost cover the loss from our previous deal. I suggest we continue and consider one more loss situation for today. So as you can see here, the price went up with an impulse from the last price minimum. We have already started an upward movement. In such situation, we'll open a deal for a minute up, because I think that the price will continue to move up. As you can see earlier, the price moved up mainly with green impulsive candles. So we already have green impulsive candles forming on the chart. That is, all this tells us the price has a good potential for growth, and I think it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up along the emerging uptrend. And I hope 1 minute in this case will be totally enough for us. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, this is our last deal. It's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showed a slight increase, and thus our deal closed above the entry point. And here we got a profit. So we have more than $5,000 on deposit. In other words, I got the profit, and I fulfilled my trading plan for today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, let me know if any information for you was new, and perhaps you can use this strategy on your own, try to implement it in your own trading and get the profit. I hope that you already smashed the subscribe button. I hope you already put a big thumbs up, and of course you already turned on notifications. Guys, I also share trading signals. These are my trading signals, and they are totally for free. If you want to get them super easy, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the important links will be down below. Guys, I will see you in the next video, and I wish you to have successful trading sessions on your own. Bye bye.